who's paying the bill? The client is, right? And so you always want to make sure that you're, extremely considerate of all their needs and what they need and what is important to them, and make sure you cover all that. And it's through some communication that you might have, or it just is through a comfort and an ease of doing business. And the integrity part is you always produce the best possible product that you can. And if somebody is speccing a super high-end paper, well, you make sure you take the utmost care of that order. And or if it's just the basic 24-pound white, you want to make sure that you're buying the best quality paper to where, when you lay down inks, the ink holdouts are super, and you're really very meticulous about all your raw materials that you put into the product. I always call us like Betty Crocker, right? So we're baking a cake. Well, you can get the cheapest products and your cake's going to turn out like a cake, but it's not really going to taste that good. But if you use better ingredients, you're going to end up with a much better product. And so integrity is ties in to always producing the very best product possible for anybody who is looking for that product, that client.